In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a quotation in Zoho. Creating a professional and detailed quote can streamline your sales process and boost customer confidence. Let's dive right in and walk through the entire process together. First, start by logging into your Zoho Books account. This is your command center where you'll manage all your business's financial transactions. Once you're in, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side. You're going to click on Sales. This section houses all your sales related data, allowing you to manage everything from customer information to the quotes we'll be working on today. Now that you're in the sales area, look for the quotes option. Click it and you'll find yourself in a space designed for creating and managing your sales quotations. Here, the next step is to click on the button labeled Create New Quote. This will open up a new page where you can start inputting all the details needed for your quotation. Let's begin by filling in the quote details. Start with the customer section. You need to select an existing customer from your database, or if necessary, add a new one. This ensures you're associating each quote with the appropriate contact, which will save you time in the future. As you proceed, you'll notice a quote number is automatically generated for you. However, should you want custom control over the sequencing of your quotes, feel free to enter a manual one. Similarly, there's a field for a reference number. This is perfect for inserting any internal tracking numbers you may have. Next, take a look at the quote date. The system typically auto-populates this with the current date, but you have the flexibility to adjust it if you need. You also have the option to set an expiration date for the quote, which can create a sense of urgency for your customer. If a specific salesperson is handling this quote, you can assign it to them by selecting the appropriate name from a drop-down menu. Additionally, if the quote relates to a specific project, go ahead and associate it with that project. This helps in tracking project-specific expenses and revenues. Moving forward, you'll need to add item details. Enter the products or services you're quoting, including their descriptions, quantities, and individual prices. Zoho allows you to add multiple lines of items, so don't hesitate if you have a comprehensive list to include. Before finalizing, take a moment to carefully review all entered details to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied you're at the decision point, you can either select Save as Draft if you'd like to revisit the quote later, or Save and Send to deliver the quote to your customer right away. This step ensures that your quotation process is both efficient and effective. Congratulations, you've successfully created a quote in Zoho. This simple yet comprehensive process not only enhances your business efficiency, but also improves customer satisfaction by delivering timely and precise information. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy quoting!